Hello everyone. Today we are going to see deleting a column from a data frame. So you all know that how to create a data frame. So here this with the last class same example, like import pandas pd1, then student we have created like this. Then df is equal to pd1.data frame. We are passing this stu over here. So when we give print df, that is our data frame, we will get like this. So today we are going to see deleting a column from a data frame. So how we can add a new column to a data frame, like in the same manner, we can delete a column from a data frame. So here Python pandas providing three ways to delete the existing data frame. The first one is using a del keyword. The first one is using a del keyword. How to delete a data frame using del keyword. So this will simply delete the series, either entire column and its contents from the data frame. So with the help of a delete key, how we are going to use that we will see now. So we have created here, the column is name, English, IP, accounts is there. Yes. So now what is the keyword you have to use for that is just del, then your data frame name. Here our data frame name is df. Then within the square bracket, you have to type which column you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete the column IP. Then I am giving del df IP. Then you want to know whether it is deleted or what. So for that purpose, you have to use the print command. Then inside, what is your data frame that you have to pass. So when you execute this, you can able to see it has created a data frame, name, English, IP and accounts. Then we have used del is the keyword, then our data frame, inside the square bracket, which column you want to delete. So the IP column we want to delete. So we can see that here in the new data frame, we have a name, English and accounts. IP is deleted. This is the first way. Then the second way, like with the help of the pop method, we can able to delete a data frame. So how to use the pop method? So pop method will delete a series and also return the series as a result. So just I will show you how to delete a data frame with the help of the pop method. So what you have to use means the data frame name. Our data frame name is df dot. You have to use pop. Then within the bracket, you have to specify. Now I am going to give accounts. So ACCOUNTS, accounts we typed. So now see here, I'm going to execute. So when I'm executing, so the first, this df is printing the whole data frame. Then I have popped here. I didn't give, after the pop, I didn't give any print statement. But that is the thing, whenever we are popping the thing, it has display the series as a result. So whatever we popped, that column will be displayed. Now see here to 77, 67, you can see here 77, 67, 87 and 97. That is the values in the accounts column that is displayed over here, and the name of the column and its data type will come over here. This is called pop method. How we can use the pop method. The next one is with the help of a drop method. So drop method is also used to remove the particular column from the data frame. So how you have to use means you have to use your data frame name dot drop. Okay, drop. Then within the bracket, you have to now type within the code. Now I am going to give English. Okay, so let's see after executing this, let's see now. I am executing. Okay, it is showing the error. Why it is showing the error? You just see what is, you have to give one more argument over here, comma, axis is equal to 1. So df drop, then your column name, then the axis is equal to. Now you can see the difference. Now see, it has dropped the axis by default. If you didn't give axis is equal to 1, it will take axis is equal to 0. So it will return a new data frame. Deleted or removed axis is equal to 1 means the column, and 0 stands for row. So it is not possible to delete a English column because we have a English as a column. It's not a row. So that is why when we didn't specify axis is equal to 1, we got a error message. So you want to delete a particular column, then you have to give, when you are using a drop method, you have to use the column name, comma, axis is equal to 1. So you will get, here also we didn't give the print statement. So you will get which column is deleted. The English column has deleted. So we are getting the name, then IP, then accounts mark. So we can delete a column from a data frame with the help of the three method. One is with the help of the del keyword, the other one is with the help of a pop, then the next one is with the help of a drop. So next class we will see the rest of the things. Okay, take care.